What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Forest Fairy Tale Labubu. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend this down, go across, and then curl that up on the end. Let's line this up over on the right side and go in the opposite direction, coming down and then curling that up. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So on the left side we're going to step in, draw an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and pull that up towards the top. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw the character looking over towards the left side. So in the center of the brow, I'm just going to curl the pupil going around and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right. On the top left side, we're going to draw a circle for highlight. Let's line this up on the right. And then from the bottom right, draw a smaller circle. Now you go in between the eyes and draw the top edge of the nose. We're going to curve this up and then down. From the ends, bend this down and in towards the center. Now let's go to the outside of the eyes. We're going to step out and draw in the mouth. Starting with the left side, coming down, curving this across the middle, and then curl it up towards the right. Now let's add those sharp teeth across the bottom of the mouth. Starting in the center, we're going to come down and up like a V towards the left, and then the right side. Let's continue to add these teeth going up along the side of the mouth. So we'll start with the left. So I just added 4 more teeth going out towards the left. So I want to add 4 more going up towards the right. Now just up above the brow in the center, we're going to draw the bottom of the beak. Starting on the left, we come across, and then bend that up. Go back to the left side, draw the top of the beak, going up and then down. Let's separate the bottom with a slight curve in the middle. From the corners of the beak, we're just going to surround the face with an oval, going all the way around, the teeth coming in towards the center. Now I'm going to work our way around the right side, and then we'll bend that back in. Let's add that fur edge going around the side. Starting from the bottom of the beak, bend this out and then down, and pull that up to create a point. I'm just going to continue to add a couple more going up along the side, and just taper that out. Along the top of the beak, move out towards the side, add 2 small circles for the eyes. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top, and we'll fill the bottoms in black. Now I'm going to close off the top of the head. From the left side, let's step over, bend this up, and then in towards the middle. We're going to go all the way across, and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. Let's add in those wings. Going back to the left, going out, and then down. Round up the tip of the wing, and just pull that up towards the side of the face. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going in the opposite direction, towards the same height, and we'll bend that back up. Now we're going to go up to the top and add in the ears, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, bend this in, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. From the top, round up the ear, come all the way around the outside, and then down on top of the head. Let's trace each of the ears along the inside. And then in the center of the ear along the bottom, I'm just going to add a little half oval. Now we're going to close off the bottom of the head. Let's start underneath the wing, bend this down and then in to right about there. And we'll do the same thing on the right, coming down and then in. Let's add a little socket with a half circle going around. I just want to pull this in and then up in the center. From the side of each socket, draw 2 straight lines coming down And I'm going to add the little feet. Starting from the outside, curve this around and then in. From the inside, do the same thing in the opposite direction. Close off the middle with another curve. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, starting with the outside, and we'll close off the middle. Now we're going to go out to the side. We're going to bring the arms in towards the body. Let's start on the left side underneath the head. Curve the arm going all the way around, and just pull that in. Now I want to add in the fingers on the left side. Curve this down and then up. Let's add another finger, coming around and then out. I'm going to add one more, going all the way around, and tuck that in behind. And we'll continue that curve on the outside, bending that down towards the outside of the elbows. Now we're going to separate the hands with a curve, coming up and behind, and continue along the top. Now I'm going to be drawing this character sitting on the floor. So let's start on the bottom left side. We're going to curve the body going up, across the legs, and then down towards the right. Let's see the bottom of the feet. From here, curve this in, and then back out. Let's add a point, coming down and out. And we're going to draw that center toe. We're going to go up, and then back down. Let's add one more toe, going up and out. I just want to blend this around the foot and then in towards the bottom. Let's go to the inside of that middle toe, curve the leg going up and then in. Let's add a fur edge going across the center of the leg with a series of points. It's going all the way around and then down. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Forest Fairy Tale Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.